Hey, what's up you guys? It is that time again where I get to open my FabFitFun box. I'm really excited. I love this subscription service. I am partnered with FabFitFun, as most of you guys probably know. So I get this sent to me 4 times a year. They have one in the summer, spring, fall, and winter. And this is their summer box. It's gorgeous. They always have like some artists do the box and it's very pretty and summery looking. It usually has like lifestyle, wellness. They have like beauty, fashion, and that sort of thing in this box. They're usually about no less than like $250 worth of stuff. So these boxes are $49.99, and if you use my coupon code ROCK10, yeah, you get $10 off of your first box. So it is $39.99, and honestly, 1 or 2 items can pay for this entire box. So when you order your FabFitFun box, you can customize some of the options because there's usually like 2 options for this gift, 2 options for that gift. Kind of goes with your taste and style and stuff like that. So I thought that's really cool. I love this subscription service, so let's get into it because I'm super excited to see what's in it for summer. And this is what the inside of the box looks like. And they always have this little informational pamphlet right here. Sorry, I have my phone. It's kind of like a little magazine that goes on and tells you about like the person that did the artwork on the box. When they do these boxes, they're usually supporting some sort of cause, and right now it is Wildlife Conservation Society. And this is summer 2018. I'm so excited for summer. I'm a summer baby, June 21st. I'm not going to go through this right now, but it does tell you all of the prices for everything individually, and I'll go ahead and tell you guys what it's worth as soon as we go through it. Because I'm so excited! I love how these are full-size products because usually in subscription boxes you will get like, you know, they are a little bit cheaper, but you usually just get like samples, and if you compare $39.99 for your first box or $49.99 for your boxes after the fact, the stuff that they have in here is ridiculous, and the quality has, for the most part, has been amazing. Like, I use things all the time. Like, I got my favorite nail polish from one of these boxes. I got lots of beauty products that I use regularly from these boxes because it's something that I wouldn't normally buy because it's really expensive.
So do you like to treat yourself?
Then treat yourself to one of these boxes and you will seriously never feel like you don't get surprised, you know what I mean? So this is the first thing. I'm just going to bust out my little book. Is $32 value. It's a SPF 50 sunscreen and it doubles as a moisturizer made with 70% organic ingredients. So this is something that I'm definitely going to be using because we got fried last summer. Oh my gosh, I'll put this to the test for sure. It doesn't have much of a fragrance, so if you like, you know, more mild scents, then this is great. White tea. So the next thing I grabbed was this really nice packaging. The Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel. It is a pretty big size. This comes with 150 milliliters. Smells incredible. Experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger to de-stress your body after spending too long in one position or after too much physical activity. Apply generously and massage into overworked joints and muscles as often as necessary. I notice a lot of times in FabFitFun boxes you do get like massage oils, muscle oils, lotions, aromatherapies, and I really like that because I'm really into essential oils and kind of like holistic things, and you know, my keto diet, and you know, just trying to have nature make me, you know, a better person overall, so why not let it soak in. This is a $39 value. You can tell there's quite a bit of essential oils in that. Oh yeah, and it sinks right in the skin. Wow, that's really cooling. Woo! Got this little package from Pier, One Imports, and it looks like a little dish. $14.99 value. This is really pretty, very simplistic. I like white and black, and I do like gold. Maybe I could put it in my kitchen and use it for like a little spoon plate because I don't have very much jewelry, but you know, we make it work. And it is really, really cute. Placed near the kitchen or sink so you could take off your rings before doing dishes. I like to put stuff where I am the most, and I am mostly in my kitchen, so that'd be really cool. Very cute. This came in a little package. It looks like a little card holder of some sort. It doesn't feel cheap or anything. It's got a cute little buttonhole like that. You just seal it up like that and like attach this to your ankle just in case you get lost. That's cute. Okay, let's see what they call it. This is a minor history postscript wallet. Head out to the hotel pool. You can put your stuff in here, like your room key and stuff, and then, you know, just bring this little thing with you. So you don't have to worry about lugging around a purse or anything like that. You just want to put like a card and your ID. And this is a $20 value. I found something in there. Orlando PITA Play Atmos Shield Hair Protectant. Oh, like an atmosphere shield. Creates an invisible weightless veil that shields the hair from harmful UV damage, heating tools, and free radicals. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. I don't do my hair a whole lot, so I'm pretty sure this will last me a while. This has a $34 value, so I'm really excited to use it. It smells really good, like fresh, kind of like blooms. Oh, I'm very excited. Oh, I have never had anything from Tarte before. I am so excited.
I'm like, oh my god, $20 for lip liner.
Or like $50 for a palette, and I'm just like, I'm excited for this. And it comes with an eyeliner. Oh my god. Eyeliner. I love eyeliner. So this is the one I got. It is the Tarteist Pro To Go palette and Sex Kitten liquid liner. $43 value. I am super, 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 super excited. So it is in a cardboard little package. 3 mattes, 3 shimmers. Let's swatch a few. Those are super, super pretty. I love this one especially. I like them all. I love that one. I like the felt tip pens the best because they're really, really easy to control. And that is what the Sex Kitten one is. So it's a little kitten on top. How adorable. Please be as black as possible. Bed one, Sex Kitten, get it? I don't know, maybe that means something. So I don't know if that's the shade or whatever it is, but let's open it. That is a skinny felt tip. How'd it do? I'm excited to be trying some wings with this because I think it did a really good job, if you guys can tell. So the next thing I see is wrapped in a little package, so I don't know what it is, so let's open it together. A revolutionary device, supposedly. It is powered by Bluetooth technology, advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile. So this thing is an $89 value. It says to avoid clay or any grainy cleansers as they might damage the silicone. I love that it's black because it's my color. And this right here is incredibly soft. Wow. This is a skin cleanser, so it's something you're going to use all over your face. So it has a whole bunch of instructions that you can read. It comes in several different colors. Made of ultra hygienic silicone, quick drying, non-porous, which prevents bacteria buildup. And it is T-sonic pulsation, so I guess it's pulsating, kind of like a pulsating face cleanser thingies. 8,000 pulsations per minute for deep and effective cleaning. Remove all your makeup, wet your face, and apply your cleanser to the Luna. Turn the device on by holding the button for 3 seconds. Cleanse in circular motions, up and down around the nose. It's very small, so you can probably get in there really easily. Very interested about this situation right here. Fill out the skincare profile on the app, and then that combined with the readings from the actual device itself can help you formulate the perfect cleansing routine based on your skin analysis. So I'm sure this is one of their like good cause type deals. It says this straw saves marine life. This is in collaboration with the Wildlife Conservation Society. It looks like a paper straw. Hashtag give a sip. Check it out on Twitter and on Instagram. The plastic straw has a lot more impact than you think. By 2050, there will be more plastic in the ocean by weight than fish. Pledge to use less plastic at giveasip.us. We'll send you a free reusable stainless steel straw to help you keep your pledge. I would love a stainless steel straw. I might have to do that. So it looks like the last thing in the box, and it is some sort of like a lifestyle item, I suppose. Let's check it out. Yumi Kim Makeup Train Case. It's a train case large enough to store your favorite beauty products, and features 2 separate compartments with a zipper closure so you can keep things organized. It's a $58 value, and you can zip up your top and put your new makeup in it that you just got. And then you can put like hair products, accessories, you know, foundation bottles and such down there. Really durable. It's so cute. I love it. There's the bottom, front, top. Nice little sturdy handle. I am just so incredibly excited to be able to receive this like for free as a gift. It is super cool for me, and I just absolutely love this box. By no means am I telling you guys, hey, you need to purchase this, like, you know, you should, blah, blah, I get no commission for anybody's purchases. I just have that coupon code ROCK10 if you want to get $10 off your first purchase. The full-size products, like, who wants to get foil packets? I don't. Sister, you are a mess. I absolutely freaking love this box, and that's why I keep doing these videos, because I love FabFitFun. So shout out. I'll check you guys in my next video. Thank you, FabFitFun, for sending me these boxes. I really appreciate it. Alright, love you guys. Mwah. Bye.